If you think about it, Ramayana is actually the first biography ever written. And also, this is the first story which has been told in the flashback format, isn't it? Rama was already present in this world when Narada comes to Valmiki's ashram, when Valmiki asks him who is the greatest person and who is the most ideal person. And later on, with the help of Divya Drishti given by Lord Brahma to Valmiki, he composes this greatest poem, this greatest epic in the world. In today's video, let's see the 16 characteristics with which Valmiki defines Rama. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Zesty Nimbu. This is Sri Rekha. As we all know, Ramayana is divided into 7 kandas. The first kanda is Balakanda. The first shloka and the subsequent 4 shlokas, or 5 shlokas, are spoken by Valmiki to Maharshi Narada when he comes visiting him. And in these 5 shlokas, he asks Narada, who is the most ideal person who is present today? He is not asking about some person who was present before him. He is asking about one person who is present in that age, that is Treta Yuga, who embodies these 16 qualities that we are going to see today. And Narada tells Maharshi Valmiki about a person called Rama, whom we look up to as God today, had even then. So the first 5 shlokas of Srimad Valmiki Ramayana from the Balakanda go like this. First shloka. Om tapaswadhyaya niratam tapasvi vagvidamvaram Naradam paripapracha Valmiki munirpungavam. Second, Konvasmin sampratam loke gunavan kascha viryavan dharmagnyascha kritagnyascha satyavakyo dhrudavratah. Third, charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarvabhuteshu kohitaha vidwan kaha samarthascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha. Fourth, Atmavan ko jitakrodho dhyutiman ko nasuyakah kasya bibhyati devascha jataroshasya sanyuge. Fifth, etadichhamyaham shrotum param kautuhalam hime maharshe tvam samarthosi gyatume vam vidam naram. These are the first 5 shlokas spoken by Maharshi Valmiki to Narada. Maharshi Valmiki in the first shloka asks directly to Maharshi Narada, who is a Triloka Sanchari, who carries forward the name of Lord Sriman Narayana in all these worlds and who is always engaged in self-study and the study of the Vedas, this question. Kon vasmin sampratam loke. That means in this Loka today, Gunavan Kascha Viryavan. The first 2 characteristics are Gunavan and Viryavan. What is Gunavan? A person who is endowed with excellent qualities, that is Gunavan, and Viryavan, who has prowess. That means who is a Veer. Dharmagnyascha Kritagnyascha. The next 2 qualities are Dharmagnya and Kritagnya. That means who is righteous, who is the follower of Dharma, and Kritagnya. That means who has gratitude and is conscious of the services done by others unto him. Satyavakyo Dhrudavratah. The next 2 are Satyavakyo, who is truthful, and Dhrudavratah, who is firm of resolve. The third shloka says, Charitrena cha ko yuktaha, who is possessed of right conduct, Sarvabhuteshu kohitaha, and who is friendly to all living beings, not just to humans but all animals, birds, insects, anything. Vidwan kaha, that means who is a man of knowledge, who is learned in the lore and who knows everything that is to be known. Kaha samarthascha, who is capable of doing things which others can't do, who is powerful, and kaschaka priyadarshana, and who is having a singularly lovable appearance or who is singularly handsome. So Rama is considered extremely handsome, not just for the women but also men were attracted to him if you read the Ramayana. The 4th shloka, Atmavan ko jitakrodho dyutiman. Atmavan, who among men is self-restrained, who is subdued in his self. Jitakrodho, who has conquered anger. Dhyutiman, who is possessed of splendor, who is endowed with brilliance. And kaha anasuyakaha, that means one who is free from envy, who is above fault finding. And the 16th characteristic is kasya bibhyati devascha jataroshasya sanyuge. That means who is that when excited to wrath or anger, even the devas are afraid of when he enters battle, let alone force. So these are the 16 characteristics that Valmiki had inquired of Narada. If there is one person in the world who is living today who has these 16 characteristics and who can be considered the most ideal person, Narada says, yes, there is such person and his name is Rama. He is from the dynasty or from the Vansha of Ikshvaku, who is the son of Dasharatha and Kausalya, who has 3 brothers, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna, and he is the husband of Sita. And he goes on to tell Ramayana in brief to Valmiki. The Rakshasa Marichi tells Ravana in Aranyakanda, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha Sadhuhu Satyaparaakramaha Raja Sarvasya Lokasya Devanam Iva Vasava. That means Rama is Dharma embodiment. If anybody knows Dharma, it is Rama. That's what Marichi tells Ravana. Imagine an enemy praising his foe. What we can learn from Rama is to follow our Dharma. So these 16 characteristics describe Rama, and if we incorporate even 1% of that, we will become better people, better versions of what we are now. I hope you have liked this video. This is your 5-minute Gyan for the day. The Sanskrit word of the day is Uplabdhi, which is achievement. Even if we have at least one of these 16 characteristics of Rama, then it's an achievement, it's an Uplabdhi for us. The question of the day is, what is the meter that Maharshi Valmiki uses to compose the Ramayana? Let me know the answer in the comment section. The Rishi of the week is Maharshi Matanga. Let me know who this great Rishi is. Put your answers in the comment section. And also check out the questions on my website zestynimbo.com and answer those questions. I keep changing it every week. I hope you have liked today's video. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, namaste.